Today we just unveiled the branding for the Richmond Highway BRT project, or from here on out it'll be known as the One. So even though we have Lee District, Mount Vernon District, we have one community here. We're the first ones of Fairfax County to have the BRT system. So it's really a moment, right, of bringing everyone together.
We certainly got a lot of good input from residents along the corridor, from businesses along the corridor, as we develop the brand for this BRT. And for those of you not familiar with the BRT program, it is a very high quality public transportation system. It's not just your ordinary bus. And I was around when we branded the existing Rex Express bus system on Route 1, which at that time was state of the art, but of course was not in its own dedicated lane. And so this will be not only dedicated lane, but it will also, operating on this dedicated transitway, will also have high quality stations along the way, 9 total stations, with easy boarding, transit signal priority, separated bicycle and pedestrian paths that will be aesthetically pleasing along the Route 1 corridor.
We'll have brand new articulated 60-foot buses. We'll also be filling in all the missing gaps of sidewalks and bicycle facilities. So all in all, when the project is complete, we'll have 7.4 miles of multimodal transportation options.
The redevelopment of the historic Richmond Highway Corridor means more diverse employment options for our residents, more modern amenities, and more opportunities. Elements that have traditionally only been found in the northern and western parts of our county. It is also clear to me that in order to be one connected community, we must make safety for our residents a priority. So I'm extremely proud of the improvements that will be made to our sidewalks, our crosswalks, our bus shelters, our bicycle and other pedestrian facilities as a part of this project.
Another component to continue to reach out to the community is what we're calling community charm. So whether you're in Gum Springs Station or you're at the PennDOT station, there might be something different. So we're going to work with local high schools to have them kind of artistically display what's important to the communities.
We have spent a lot of time trying to make sure that we got the right name. A lot of time. And this branding name is the one I think we needed to have. And it's not only the one because it kind of rolls off the lips when you're on the Route 1 corridor. We also have the #1 employment location in the state, Fort Belvoir. More employees on Fort Belvoir, more dollars generated on Fort Belvoir than anywhere else in the state. More than 50,000 employees. I'm very, very excited about the launch of this new brand. I think it clearly will continue to mold the identity of Richmond Highway Corridor as #1 as we go forward, and #1 as the place to be.
So in 2030, we're hoping that everyone can start riding the system. So for more information on the BRT project, you can go to the Fairfax County website, and then from there, just the keywords Richmond Highway BRT.